Hey everyone, it's me Caitlin. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm going to be showing you how I use Procreate and Silhouette Studio to create my planner stickers. So what I'm doing is I'm creating a super easy design. I'm just creating a Happy Mail sticker just to show you how incredibly easy it is to actually use the two programs together. The hardest part for me when doing this is always lettering. I have a love-hate relationship with my writing, so making sure that I get this down correctly is a lot harder than it seems, but Procreate has so many little tools that you can use to make sure that you have everything centered. If any of you are interested in a tutorial on how to really use the program, let me know and I can give you my little tips and tricks. I am still pretty new to it, but I like to think I have a basic grasp of it, so hopefully I can make your life a little bit easier if this is something that you are considering doing. This is something that you don't necessarily have to do, but when I am finished with my drawings, I like to remove the background layer and make sure that it's clear, and then export it as a .png file. So when I go into Silhouette Studio, I go ahead and move the files in. I don't import them into the library just because I feel like it makes it a little bit more complicated when I do that. I don't know why. So I personally just take the files and drag and drop in. When it comes to making stickers in Silhouette Studio, you can either make it as complicated or as easy as you want it to be. So for this particular sticker, I want to make sure that I have an offset that just focuses on the outside of the sticker itself. So what I am doing is I went into the trace tool, I set the scale to 4 just because it makes it a little less grainy, and then I am adjusting the threshold just to make sure that I get all of the black part of that sticker. Once that is outlined, I go in to fill it with the black, and then I will add in an offset. I like to keep my offset at 0.030. It keeps it pretty small, but it also gives you the opportunity to make sure that you have a little bit of a border. Now, one of the things that you'll probably come up with is you will have these lines on the inside, so you can either take the eraser tool, which I'm trying to do right here, but I don't do it very well, or you can make life a little bit easier. You can click it, go into Object, and release the compound path, pull out that outline, delete all of this, and then make sure that you reset that compound path again. And then you can just center it, and then you have an offset sticker. So that red line will cut right there, and it's super easy. I don't recommend using simple for this. I definitely recommend using line, just because when you use the simple, it really wants to cut everything, which is fine if that's what you want to do, but not really. And these are the settings that I use to have a kiss cut so it doesn't cut through the sticker paper. So now that that is done, I'm actually just going to get rid of that, and then I'm going to repeat the process. I'm going to select trace, set that down to 4, and then I'm not going to bother with the threshold because it grabbed everything, and then I'm going to fill it and remove the line. Super important that you set that line as either black or clear, otherwise the machine is just going to try and cut everything. Trust me, I have done that way too many times and it's not a fun situation. So now that I have that made up, I'm going to go ahead and use the replicate tool just to make life a little bit easier, space it out, and those are pretty much done. I was originally going to make this a sheet entirely of just Happy Mail stickers, but I decided that instead of doing this as a kiss cut, I wanted to add it as a circular sticker. Now, it's a little difficult when I do this sometimes because I'm terrible at the scale, so I do recommend making the stickers. Don't print it on the sticker paper right away, print it on a test sheet, and just make sure that you're happy with the size. Go ahead and cut it, make sure that it's the size that you want, because when I printed these, they were huge. I meant to go ahead and do the test sheet for these stickers, but for some reason I didn't do them. And they are huge. They look great, but they're really, really big. I wasn't sure what direction I wanted to go with these stickers, but I decided that I wanted to turn this into the thank you sticker instead of using the Happy Mail sticker. The Happy Mail sticker was originally going to be the sticker for when I closed up my packaging, but I decided that this would be a lot cuter, and I love the end result. So there was a lot of playing around with this sticker. I originally wanted this to be a circular text, but you'll see that doesn't really work out very well at the end. But it came out super, super cute. So to be completely honest, I really wanted to use the circular text so bad, but for some reason when I was doing it, it just did not want to work with me. So I gave up, and honestly, I'm glad that I did because I don't think it would have had the same look by the time I was finished. So if something's not working, don't discount the ideas that you have, because what you come up with might be a little better than what you think. So now that the sticker itself is done, I have everything set up. I'm just giving you a little demo on how you can use this sticker. You can either leave it blank, you can put something else in there, or you can add in a name. So now I'm just going in and deciding what font I think I would like to use. And basically while going through and doing this, I realized that I wanted to change a few things. And by the end of it, I think it looks super cute. Granted, I'm not doing something with Kiss Cut, but if you do use the settings that I have, I do think it's guaranteed to be Kiss Cut no matter what. And now I'm just grouping everything together, and it's super cute. I hope that this tutorial helped you out, and let me know if you have any questions. I will answer them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!